and if I got some kind of facts, then I think I should have to share that particular thing. Your 90% data is exhausted. Your 100% data is exhausted. Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. And in this particular video, basically this particular video is all the Jio users basically who are using the Jio SIM, and maybe who are just binge watchers, binge downloaders, or binge uploaders like me. I mean, uploading the videos kind of thing on a daily basis, and I mean, who just have got a 2 GB data per day, and the requirement of that particular person is maybe 3 GB and more than that, then how they're going to survive? I mean, see, what we do basically, अभी जो 10 का पैक आता था ना, 20 का पैक आता था, like 20 में 2 GB हमें एक्स्ट्रा मिल जाता था, like that. So what I do, I have use, I mean, recharge a lot more time to like 1 GB data, 20 rupees का 2 GB data for more data for upload the video, for watch the kind of content actually, and ऐसा करते करते like 400 rupees हो गया था, more than 400 rupees. So I was just thinking about that now, what I can do with that particular amount, because the watch minute that I have got from the Jio is enough to talk with a friend, to talk with my family member. Now what I can do with that particular money, because I need more and more data for my survival purpose, in the sense like I have to learn something and do the things, learning, I mean investing on learning basically. So now what I can do with that particular amount? And then I got an idea, and not just idea, I just going through, I mean browsing the Jio application, and I just found that feature, and see, I'm just, oh my god, what is this? So before I say that what is that, oh my god, before we're gonna jump into the video, make sure to just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new video basically. So see, now in Jio application basically, for example, we take 20 rupees recharge, then we got 14 rupees as well, 20 GB data, and when we do ask for more than 6-7 times, then we gather or we just acquire the money more than 100 rupees. Okay, now what we can do with that 100 rupees? We are thinking about that. We have an option to get that, convert that particular money to data, exactly to a data. I mean, we can enjoy with the data and do whatever we are doing, maybe binge watching on a Netflix or like whatever kind of thing that you are doing, if you have just exhausted the data on a daily basis. So let's begin the video. I'm going to show you basically that how you can use that particular amount for your data, for your data. So let's begin the video. Here we go. So here I'm on my Jio application, and I'm gonna show you that how you can basically use your money for your sake of data purpose, the money that you have. See, right now I have a 261.94 rupees, and I have more than that, but I have used 200 rupees already. Like it's like more than 400 rupees that I have acquired here basically. So basically what you have to do, you just have to just tap on 4G data voucher. Okay, sorry for that. Once you tap on that particular, see the kind of offer that you got, just tap on as per your want. Like I just go for 101 rupees. Okay, and it's a 1000 minute Jio to non-Jio, and like whatever the thing is then, and it's gives the 12 GB data actually. So I just tap on that buy. Yeah, it's buy, I mean buy. Okay, now see, here is the option pay now. I mean you can use your Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit card, whatever that you have, but I don't want to go for that. I don't say that you go, just go for that. The money that you have, like if you see on the top of that 261 rupees 94 paisa, yeah, and you have the bottom that you can tap on that if you don't want to do that. I mean if you wanted to choose that, just tap on pay now. As you tap on that pay now, it will be paid. Yeah, see here my, and this is live. I just have once again recharge my phone because my data is exhausted, so so much. I mean it's very few, not exhausted totally, but yeah, very few I have actually, and I have to upload too much video. So yeah, see, my phone is recharged with the 101 rupees with a 1000 minute unlimited call for non-Jio, and most important thing is that 12 GB data that I have got from here. And people like me just wondering for that यार कहीं से डाटा मिल जाए 2 GB 3 GB तो ख़त्म हो गया ना, what I can do? And they are using 20 रुपये 30 रुपये, I mean 20 रुपये 10 रुपये for 1 GB 2 GB data and acquiring a lot of money, and still they're thinking what I can do. So just use this trick or tactic and see this kind of fact that I'm got from sometime I was wondering for this and that kind of thing, and if I got some kind of facts, then I think I should have to share that particular thing. Yeah, and I hope you got the value from that particular video. And if you got the value from that particular video, please share this video to another people so that they get benefited from this particular video. And as always, keep smiling and be happy. And one more thing is that be safe, and thank you very much.